Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement, especially for the COVID-19 pandemic period. So quickly join in our live class. It's already started. Just you have to inform all of your friends to join in our live class. Quickly join in our live class. Oh, now tell me, is my voice audible to you all? Then type yes in the comment box. Okay, fine. Thank you so much for responding. So now let's start our learning. But before that, let me tell you that how can you join in our live class. So it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aviti Learning and press the bell icon to get more updates. If you have not subscribed yet, then don't waste your time. Quickly subscribe to our channel to get more notification on every important classes. Okay, so before we start our class, just we should have to follow some rules, and that is you should have to answer the questions which is asked, and that should be in your comment box or your chat box. And secondly, don't chat with each other. Okay, so if you start chatting with each other, then you will face problem while watching the video. Okay, and the special request to all of you that you should have to make your note only after watching the video. Okay, if during watching the video you start note making, then you will miss the important points. Okay, so it is a permanent video and you can find anytime on YouTube. Okay, so most important thing is don't waste your time with chatting with each other and don't make your note while watching the video. Okay, so here it is a new surprise for all of you. As we know that there is a huge changes have done in our national policy on education. So there are so many new kind of skills and new kind of special curricular activities are included in the school curriculum. So, Aveti Learning is here to provide you a special skill, that is the coding skill and the spoken English skill. Okay, so you can learn spoken English through Aveti Learning as well as coding also. So, within a limited period of time, you are capable of speaking fluent English like others. Okay, so without any hesitations, you can learn English and you can speak English fluently. And the most important thing is that should be absolutely free for all of you. Okay, so it is a free spoken English class and it is a free coding class. Okay, so here are the links for the registration for coding classes and spoken English classes, and the link for the registration for coding class is https colon double slash bit.ly slash aveti coding class, and the link for the registration for the spoken English class is https colon double slash bit.ly slash aveti spoken English. So if you have not registered yet, then quickly register your name. There are limited seats for all of you, so quickly reserve your seats. Okay, so now let's start learning. So we have started the grammar chapter tense revisited. So in our previous class, we have learned about the ways of expressing present time. That should be in present tense. So as we know that there are four subdivisions of present tense, that is present indefinite tense or present simple or simple present tense. Then number 2 is present continuous or present progressive tense. Then present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so we have learnt there are two ways to express the present time. One is present indefinite or simple present, and second is present continuous or present progressive tense. Okay, by this two form we are able to express the present time. Okay, now let's learn about the ways of expressing the past time. So there are 6 ways to express the past time. Okay, so first one is present perfect tense. The second one is present perfect continuous tense. Number 3, past indefinite tense or simple past tense. Number 4, past continuous or past progressive tense. Number 5, past perfect tense. Then number 6, past perfect continuous tense. So here are the 6 forms by the help of which we can express the past time. Okay, through these 6 tense form we are able to express the past time. Past time means what? Which is already done. The thing or the action which is already happened. जो कार्य गुड़िक हेई सारिछि, हेई जाइछि, वर्तमान समय रे होउ नाही बा सेई कार्यटी कंटिन्यू करू नाही, जो काम गुड़िक ऑलरेडी सरी जाइछि से सबु पास्ट टाइम रो अंतर्भुक्त अटंती. तो सही पास्ट टाइम को दर्शाइबा पई हमकु 6 प्रकार फॉर्म यूज करबा को पड़े. आ सही 6 प्रकार फॉर्म विषय रे आमे वर्तमान जानिले. So the first one is present perfect tense. By the help of present perfect tense we can express the past time. So the structure of present perfect tense is subject plus has or have plus MV3, that means main verb in his third form, means past participle form, plus object. For example, I have eaten a mango. Here I, its subject. As I is a first person singular number, so I always takes have. Then V3 means past participle form of the verb eat, eat, at, eaten. Okay, so have eaten, it is MV3, then a mango is object. Okay. Similarly, they have eaten mangoes. Here also they, its subject, then have eaten also, it is MV3. As we know that there is a third person but singular number, so it also takes have as helping verb. Then mangoes, which is in plural form. Again Amrit, which is subject. As we know that Amrit is third person singular number, so it will take has. Okay, the verb has agree with singular number. So here it is used. Then it is having is its past participle form eaten. Then it is mango. Okay. Amrit has eaten a mango. So this is the structure of present perfect tense. Now let's know the use of present perfect tense. That means in which situation, following which kind of rules we can use present perfect tense to express the past time. Rule number 1. To express the completed activities in the immediate past. Immediate past means just before or just now the work is finished. सांगे सांगे सरी जाइथिबा काम गुडी को दर्शेबा पई रूल नंबर 1 हमको कहूची कि सांगे सांगे जो कामटा अति निकट अतीत रे शेष हो जाइछि तो सही सिचुएशन को आमे दर्शेबा पई आमे पास्ट टाइम रो सही सिचुएशन को दर्शेबा पई प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस रो यूज आमे करि थाओ. For example, she has written a letter. So recently she has written a letter. Se gote chithi lekhichi. So it is completed just in an immediate past. I have just bought a pen. मु ए सांगे सांगे मु एबे गोटे कलम किनिछि अर्थात किनिबा कामटी सरी जाइछि. जस्ट अर्थात एबे माने एबे मु सेई पेनटी बा कलमटी किनिछि. So it also refers to the immediate past. So the work which is completed in the near past. So here also the form present perfect form should be used to express the past time. Again, my father has gone to market. मो बापा बजार को जाइछंती. तो सेही काम मध्य अति निकट अतीत रे जेहेतु समाप्त हेछि तनु सेही सिचुएशन को दर्शेबा पई मध्य आमे एटी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस रो यूज करि परिबा. Then rule number 2. Rule number 2 is to express the past action which are continued in the present time. जो action टी बा जेउ कार्यटी अतीतरे सरी जाइछि किंतु तार प्रभाव वर्तमान पर्यंत अछि वर्तमान पर्यंत कंटिन्यू करूची ताले सेही क्षेत्र रे मध्य आमे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस रो यूज करि परिबा. फॉर एग्जांपल, प्रत्युष हैज कट हिज फिंगर. So Pratyush has cut his finger but the finger is means the blood is bleeding now. Okay, the finger is bleeding now. माने हातटा कटि जाइछि. प्रत्युष ता हातटा को अंगुठीटा को काटि देइछि किंतु रक्तस्राव कमी नाही. अर्थात जो कामटी अतीतरे सरीछि सेही कामर प्रभाव वर्तमान पर्यंत चलीछि. तो एई क्षेत्र रे मध्य आमे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस रो यूज करि परिबा. एटी CUT कट 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 मीन्स कट रो प्रेजेंट फॉर्म मध्य कट हेइ थाए, पास्ट फॉर्म मध्य कट हेइ थाए एवं पास्ट पार्टिसिपल माने MV3 सेटा मतारो V1 V2 एंड V3 all are same. Okay, so let's move on to another example. My daughter has eaten all the apples. Okay, मोर झियो सब सेव गुडी को खाई सारिछि अर्थात वर्तमान किछि नाही खाली हे जाइछि. खाइबा कामटी सरी जाइछि अर्थात वर्तमान अछि कि आ किछि सेव सेव नाही सरी जाइछि. तो एई खाइबा कामटी जो सरी जाइछि तार प्रभावटा वर्तमान सिचुएशन रे देखा जाउछि हैला. तो सेही क्षेत्र रे मध्य आमे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस रो यूज करि परिबा. So here rule number 3, to express past action with present relevance means the action which is already completed but still you can see the relevance of that situation in the present time. Okay, अर्थात गोटे कार्य जोड़ा कि अतीत समाप्त हो सारी किंतु सेई कार्यर प्रासंगिकता वर्तमान समय देखा जाउछि हैला. For example, Akshurna has solved the sum correctly. Okay, so now we can see here it is written that 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So this sum is solved by Akshurna and we can see the correct thing. That means whatever is done by Akshurna in the past, that should be shown in the present. Okay, so अक्षुर्णा जो कामटी करिछि बा जो गणितटी सॉल्व करिछि तार करेक्टनेस को आमे प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन रे देखि पारुचे तार प्रासंगिकता हमकु वर्तमान समय रे देखा जाउछि. सो इन दिस केस आल्सो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज यूज्ड. So another example is Varsha has tried hard and succeeded. Okay, so in this picture or in this situation we can see Varsha who is having the degree or the certificates in her hand, that is only because of her hard labor. So she has tried hard and because of her hard labor in the past we can see the success in the present situation. Okay, वर्षा अतीतरे कठिन परिश्रम करिथिला तेणु वर्तमान सी सक्सेस बा सफलता हासिल करि पारिला. तो तार अतीतरे करिथिबा कार्यर वर्तमान समय रे सेई कार्यर प्रासंगिकता दृश्यमान हेउची. अर्थात अतीतरे से जो परिश्रम करिथिला ताहार सफलता वर्तमान आमे देखि पारुछे. So to represent this kind of situation also we can use present perfect tense. Okay, तो जो अतीत कार्यर वर्तमान समय रे प्रासंगिकता परिलक्षित होई थाए सेई क्षेत्र रे मध्य सेई अतीतर समय को दर्शाइबा पई आमे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस रो व्यवहार करि थाउ. So students, today's this much we have discussed about 3 rules which are representing the past time. Okay, so we will meet in our next class with a new concept, with a new form to express the past time. Okay, so here is some homework for you. So after watching this video you should have to rush towards our app Aveti Learning and find out tense revisited, and there are so many assignments are there and you should have to do the assignment number 3. Okay, so let me see who will answer the assignment so quickly and so fast. I will mention their name in our next class. Okay, so here is our Aveti official WhatsApp number, that is 7894040614. If you are having any kind of doubts, any kind of queries, you can ask us through this number and we are here to solve all of your problems. Okay, so as you know, we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic. It is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, today's this much. I hope all of you have enjoyed and understood the present perfect tense, which is the way to express the past time. We will meet in our next session with a new concept, with some new questions. Okay, so till then, keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.